I mean, will I really do affiliate marketing for the rest of my life? That's too tough for me to answer right away, and the reason why, all I freaking know is that if I keep continuing to get results like this on a daily basis, then for as long as I can make money with affiliate marketing, I'm gonna be doing it. Making money the way I've been making money online is nothing new. When I was in high school, when I was like 15 or 16, I wish I would have just found this stuff a little bit sooner. Who knows where the heck I would be if I had started this when I was in high school. Or the people, just when the internet started kind of booming, and then there were people that got into affiliate marketing and got good at, getting traffic to affiliate offers. Man, I really wish I would have done that then, but I didn't. And I guess the cool thing is, it hasn't gotten so out of hand that nobody can have success with affiliate marketing. So if I'm doing it, you can too. If you're watching this and you have no clue what affiliate marketing is, it's just a way to make money by selling other people's products or services. And no, I don't mean you sell to your friends and family. I mean you find products and services you kind of like, or maybe you really like, and you promote that offer on social media or on the internet to get traffic. Basically, what traffic means is people going to what you're promoting and buying. You're literally able to target the exact type of person you need to make money in your business. It could be in the health niche, it could be in the dating niche, it could even be in the cooking niche, or if you're like me, I like to get a part of digital products that teach people skills that they can apply to their business to make more money. Whatever it is, that's how you get traffic, okay? It's gonna be through online advertising. Even if I decided, you know what, I don't wanna do this online stuff anymore and I wanna open up my own cupcake business, I would apply these online strategies to my cupcake brick and mortar business. The particular thing that paid me $200 today so far, which I think I'm gonna make some more money by the end of today, and what also paid me $475 yesterday, it's a really cool direct sales opportunity that I've been involved in now since December the 19th of 2018. So I haven't even really been in it for a very long period of time, but I've already made close to $13,000 in profit. If you click the link in my video description below, you'll actually be able to see the exact process that I'm using to get results with this direct sales opportunity. Be inspired by my results, but don't be fooled. I do want to let you know this isn't something you're going to get rich on quickly or anything like that. This is something that can definitely help you, but there is a little bit of a learning curve you're going to have to go through, and there is a little bit of work you're going to have to put in. I've been doing this for quite some time, so I know a thing or two about how this stuff works. When you join, you actually get me as a coach, and you're able to really get inside my brain as to what I've been able to do to get my results a little bit faster, and I give that to you. If you're somebody that you're dedicated and you you know what, I'm going to be committed to this stuff no matter how long it takes, I'm going to learn it, I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to get results, then this is for you. That's the exact same mindset that I actually had when I was broke, literally $0 in my bank account, and also I was negative almost $100 in my PayPal account. That was when I first started this whole stuff in 2013. So if I can do it, you literally can do it. There's no excuse as to why you can't start some sort of online business of some sort to actually help you get to financial freedom. So like I said, click that link in my description below if you're somebody serious, if you want to work with me. I'll look forward to you joining my team, and you'll be hearing from me shortly.